Welcome to Home of Math, exercise 1.5, part 8, class 6. Our question: the weight of a bucket full of water is 16 1 by 2 kg. If 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 1 by 4 kg, determine the weight of the empty bucket. Step by step, we try to solve this problem. First, we can write full bucket equals to 16 1 by 2 kg, or we can write 2 times 16 is a 32 plus 1, it means 33 by 2 kg. This is full bucket, it means bucket plus water. We can also subtitle here bucket plus full water. It means 33 by 2 kg. Now, second step, if 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water which is 5 1 by 4 kg. So, we can write 1/4 full bucket equals to 5 1 by 4 kg, or we can write 4 times 5 is a 20, 20 plus 1, 21 divide 4 kg. It means, look, this is full bucket water and this is one-fourth. It means this is half, this is again half, and this is again half. It means up to this full of water. Okay, so this is 1 by 4. It's full. Now we have to determine the weight of the empty bucket. It means we have to find the value of weight where is no water. How we can solve this one? So first, our target to find out, look, we know the weight of 1/4, but this part, it's a empty part. We also find out the value. So this case we can write. So we can write like this. So it's looking full bucket of water equals to 1 part. So 1 minus 1/4 of water equals to, so this one we can write, it means difference between full of water and 1/4 water. It means 33 divide 2 minus 21 by 4 kg. So here is 2 fractional subtraction, so 4, so 4 minus 1, or we can say 3 by 4 of water equals to, here is 4, so this is 66 minus 21, this is kg. So we can say 3 by 4 of water means, here is 6 minus 1 is a 5, 6 minus 2 is a 4, divide 4 kg. Now look, so now we can say this is our bucket. So 1/4 weight is 21/4 kg, and this is 3/4, which weight is 45/4 kg. Okay, and total how many? So what is the weight of full of bucket? So this one we can write like this. So 3/4 of water equals to 45/4. So 1 of water means 45/4 times this 4 will go here and this 3 come here, kg. It means 4 and 4 out, 45/3, it means 15. So this one we can say 15 kg. So it means total water is 15 kg. That means full part or 1 part water equals to 15 kg. We know bucket plus water equals to 16. We already find out 16 1/2, it means 33/2 kg, and only water 15 kg. So empty bucket weight equals to 33/2 minus 15 kg. So this one we can write 2, here is 33, 2 times 15 is a 30, so this is 3/2 kg. 3/2 kg equals to 1/2 kg. This is our answer. So determine the weight of the empty bucket, which is 1/2 kg. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, just write a line in the comments box and make practice at home. Otherwise, you will not clear everything. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel Home of Math and share with your friends. Thank you.